Hey guys, my name is Devin. I've been lashing for a little bit over a year now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription box down below. In today's video, we're going to be discussing all things Lash Bath. We're going to talk about our retail Lash Bath and also our concentrate for Lash Bath. So what a Lash Bath is it's a cleanser to clean the lashes with. So some lash artists, they like to cleanse the lashes before every appointment, every fill, or you can just use the Lash Bath when your client really needs it. They might have makeup in their lashes or any oil or debris. That's good to just clean the lashes and have a fresh base. Okay, so the first Lash Bath we're going to be talking about is LivBay's Retail Lash Bath. So you can buy this to use on yourself, to use on your clients, and even to resale to your clients. You can do that because it's made in a lab, so it is made for resale and the clients can use it at home and you can use it during their appointments. So how I would use this Lash Bath with a client is I would maybe give it a little bit of a shake and then I would place it either right on their extensions or on a fluffy eyeshadow type brush, something with soft bristles. As you can see, it's very foamy. So it does have a good lather, and then you would just rinse it out with some water and dry the lashes, and then the lashes would be free of any makeup or oil, and you'd have a fresh, clean base to add new extensions on there. So this retail Lash Bath, it's very affordable, but if you're planning on purchasing it a lot and very often, it can get a little pricey. So it is good though, because it's fresh out of the bottle. You don't have to do any mixing. You don't have to make it yourself. So it's right there and it's ready for you. And then our next option is the Mix and Mingle. If you're looking for a little more bang for your buck, you can make your own Lash Bath and it's a little more affordable than the retail. So in this Mix and Mingle bottle, it is 120 milliliters. So you can make 6 Lash Baths with this one bottle, and we're gonna show you how to make one batch right now. Okay, so the recipe for our Mix and Mingle is 20 milliliters of the concentrate and 40 milliliters of water. So I do have the 40 milliliters of water in here, and I'm just going to add the 20 milliliters of the Mix and Mingle concentrate. And we did use distilled water, so you wanna go ahead and use distilled for this process. It is thick, so it does take a second for all of it to get in there. Okay, so once you've poured both the water and the concentrate in there, you're gonna put the lid on, give it a good shake, and then it's gonna be very sudsy, so I'll go ahead and show you now. So just as foamy as ever, and it'll get those lashes really clean, and then we'll go ahead and compare it to our retail Lash Bath. So they're both very foamy and they'll get the lashes nice, fresh, and clean. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it brought a ton of value to you. Question for you, do you buy your Lash Bath or do you make it yourself at home? Let us know down below in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about lashing or getting certified as a lash artist, you can visit livbaylashclass.com to find a class nearest to you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.